Now, in this video, I want to talk about how do you grow your Facebook page by inviting the existing likes. Now, it's a super simple tactic and only takes few seconds to implement, but that's our whole course. This whole course is about simple things that you can do to grow your Facebook page and engagement without paying any money to Facebook ads, right? So there are only two steps to this tactic. Number one is you look for existing content with lots of engagement on your page. And number two is once you find that content, you invite people who are not your Facebook followers or page followers already. So if you step back and think, if these people are liking your content without being followers, they will love your content afterwards after they become your followers. So what happens as a result of this, your Facebook fans grow and also your engagement over time grows. Now let's do a quick demo. This is a super simple tactic and only takes few seconds to implement. So here we go. Here's a Facebook page, one of the pages that I am an admin of. So to implement this tactic, what you do is go to your Facebook page and then kind of scroll down and look for content that has lots of engagement. And one of the videos that we had in this course, it talked about finding and sharing viral and relevant content on your Facebook page. So that will go hand in hand with this tactic. So if I scroll down, now look at this. So this post that we actually did today, it has a lot of engagement. So if I click, so what you have to do is click on these reactions. So this right here. So once I click on this, so you see some of these people are already fans. But if I scroll down, look at this. This person is not. She's not a fan or a follower of a page, but she is engaging with the page content already. Very powerful. So here's what I'm gonna do. Invite. Here's another one. Invite. Here's another one. Invite. Another one. So imagine if you're consistently sharing viral and relevant content on your page, you will have a lot of people that you can invite to become followers of your Facebook page. And if they're liking or engaging with your content without being followers, they will engage even more once they become your Facebook page followers. So this is what I would do, and I would honestly do this tactic every single week. So schedule 5 minutes on your calendar every single week and then go through the content from last week and look at all the content that has a lot of engagement, and then see if there's an opportunity to invite people who are already engaging or liking your content. So your homework assignment right after watching this video is go to your Facebook page, go through your content, maybe last 10 or 15 posts or all of the content that you posted in last week, and then look for the engagement and invite every single person who's not an existing or current fan but is already engaging with your content.